So here are my plants that I got on the Ecuagenera Live Show, and I got this one because it has huge leaves, and look, already a new baby leaf right here. And this plant is called Anthurium Yvonne Portala Ecuagenera. So I lift it a little bit, but you still can see it. And the leaves are amazingly large and beautiful. And now it's time for the roots to be repotted, and I'll try my best to do it. And oh gosh, you guys have to see these roots. These are some amazing roots, and I'll show it to you in a second. I just need to make sure I can take care of all this sphagnum moss around them, and then I'll be showing you how big and beautiful the roots are right here. Amazing roots. And now I'm realizing that I actually made a mistake when I got ready my pots. I had already a hole in them so they can be easily potted, and now I believe that for this one I would need more than just that. As you can see, I already add some soil to it, and my first plant is already repotted. My next plant is as beautiful as that one, and this one is an Anthurium metallicum. I really wanted this type of plant. I think it is amazing, and I finally got my hands on them. I like about this plant that it grows super huge. The leaves can get super big, and now I've got one of them. So the show was very fun. I liked how I could interact with different people. I saw different companies, Ecuagenera being one of them, and everyone was just so amazing. Everybody was so knowledgeable and ready to answer any questions. I think that on my next one, when I get to go, I will actually make sure I have more money, because lots of plants at very good price, but still I couldn't afford all of them. So here I'm taking care of the sphagnum moss that it's around the roots, and I want you to see, okay, this is dry, I need to take care of it too, and I'll show you this beautiful plant closer. It's very big, and look at these roots. The roots are amazingly big. I don't think I ever received a plant with such big roots, and now I have to kind of play here before repotting them. And I would need to get some more soil to add on top. It's a messy job, tell you that. It's a very messy job, but what you don't do for beautiful plants? Everything. And you can ask my husband, he can confirm that I'll do everything for my beautiful plants. So plant number 2 is here ready. Now I've got other plants, and now I understand that I actually added too much soil to my pots, because the root system is super big, on all of them, even on the ones that look small to me. And this one is a Philodendron Genevianum. I don't know how to say it, but look at this. It is super, super cute. Also super, super huge leaves that I really love. Just afraid not to break it. Okay, my fuzzy friend, let me take care of you. I don't know if anyone ever had a chance to actually be so excited about something the way I'm excited about my plants. These are just amazing. And oh my gosh, I have really a dream to have all these plants that I like and own all of them. And gosh, why not? Having a garden, maybe one day that's gonna be possible. So I'm gonna show it closer. It has huge leaves, and this is how fuzzy it is, and has good system for the roots. And I'll have to cut it inside. This is one amazing plant with huge leaves. I just really like big leaves. This is plant number 3. It needs to be watered. All of them need to be watered. My beautiful plant number 3. This is actually huge. This plant is huge. Just look here. Got these beautiful big leaves. Amazing plants. Amazing. And my last but not least, one of the beautiful large plants that I've got is, ta-da! It's an Anthurium hybrido PRU. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it does have large leaves, and I really like how they look. I like plants with huge leaves. I think since I've got my first monstera, I was just dreaming about getting huge leaves. All I wanted from a plant is to be big with huge leaves. And now this is what I'm buying. Anything and everything that's huge. Okay. They did pack it very well. I'll tell you that. And now I have to struggle getting it out, but we'll do it. This root system on this one is not as big as on the other ones. So interesting. Oh wait, about to have a new leaf right here. And this is the root system. And look at this huge leaf. Oops, sorry. Amazing plant. No, actually I have too much dirt in there. Overall, I want to tell you that it was a beautiful experience. I loved talking to Yvonne from Ecuagenera. He's very knowledgeable, answered lots of my questions, was very nice to give me time so he can go through my questions and give me an interview, which I'll link here. But it was a very and overall amazing experience. So now these plants will be quarantined and watered and cleaned, and then we'll go from there. So these are the plants that I got. This is the beautiful huge leaves, and this is the Anthurium Yvonne Portala. This is a Metallicum, again huge leaf. This one is a beauty of also huge leaves, and this is the Philodendron Genevianum. And then this fuzzy guy here, it has fuzzy stems, also huge leaves, like huge leaves. And this guy is an Anthurium hybrido PRU. So the next step for them is to let them acclimatize and stay with the soil, and after that I'll be cleaning them, and I need to give them water. I know they need to be watered right away, and I'll let them just be. Thanks for watching.